thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marshall County, northeastern Logan County, Woodford County, northwestern DeWitt County, eastern Tazewell County, McLean County, northeastern Peoria County, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Rome to Goodfield to near Hopedale, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Carlock and Sequoia around 12:30 p.m. Stanford around 12:35 p.m. Normal, El Paso, Roanoke, Hudson, and McLean around 12:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Bloomington, Towanda, Hayworth, Minot, Lexington, Chenoa, Downs, Cooksville, Leroy, and Colfax. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 10 and 22. Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 31. Interstate 55 between mile markers 142 and 187. Interstate 74 between mile markers 106 and 155. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Menard County, Logan County, Christian County, Sangamon County, DeWitt. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Livingston County, southwestern LaSalle County, Ford County, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roanoke to near Danvers to near Lincoln, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Streator, Pontiac, Paxton, Dwight, Fairbury, Gibson City, Chatsworth, Gridley, Forest, Flanagan, Winona, Odell, South Streator, Piper City, Cullum, Cornell, Sandemin, Melvin, Roberts, and Rutland. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 217. Interstate 57 between mile markers 258 and 263. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Logan County, northwestern DeWitt County, south central McLean County, until 1 p.m. At 12:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Beeson, or 9 miles east of Lincoln, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clinton, Hayworth, and Wappell around 12:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 139 and 141.
As we're seeing right here. So,
is also likely to mobile.
No scary there for a bit, Kevin.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coles County, northwest northwestern Edgar County, Moultrie County, northwestern Clark County, Cumberland County, northeastern Effingham County, Douglas County, Macon County, southeastern Christian County, north central Jasper County, Shelby County, Piatt County, DeWitt County, southwestern Vermilion County, southeastern McLean County, Champaign County, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wakulla to near Dana, moving east at 65 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for eastern DeWitt and northern Piatt County. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Weldon around 12:55 p.m. Farmer City and Midland around 1 p.m. Shelbyville and Counter around 1:05 p.m. Mansfield and Seymour around 1:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Mohammed, Fisher, Windsor, Stewartson, Bonneville, Lake in the Woods, Champaign, Urbana, Mattoon, Rantoul, Neoga, Thomasboro, Toledo, St. Joseph, Gifford, Lerny, and Janesville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 168 and 250. Interstate 70 between mile markers 108 and 124. Interstate 72 between mile markers 133 and 182. Interstate 74 between mile markers 165 and 200.
This new severe
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern McLean County, northern Champaign County. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coles County, Edgar County, Clark County, Vermilion County, Cumberland County, Champaign County, eastern Douglas County until 2:15 p.m. At 1:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rantoul to near Camargo to Neoga, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Rantoul, Thomasboro, Newman, and Broadlands around 1:30 p.m. Gifford, Hume, Brockton, Allerton, Lerna, Jewett, and Janesville around 1:35 p.m. Greenup, Seidel, and Rankin around 1:40 p.m. Crispin and Potomac around 1:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Casey, Ridge Farm, Westfield, Hookston, Rossville, Martinsville, Clarksville, and Marshall. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 186 and 194, and between mile markers 238 and 257. Interstate 70 between mile markers 109 and 154. Interstate 74 between mile markers 180 and 220.